There's a message drifting in the air. If you listen, you will notice music everywhere. This bridge is made of hope. This bridge is made of hope. In this world of hunger, war, and strife, we can together, all included, build a better life. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side.
Go, baby!
This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, this bridge is made of hope. Side by side, this bridge is made of hope. Side by side,
Yeah, what color you want? This one? Alright. There you go. Got some electrolytes. Goes right here. That goes in your water. And then we got some sunscreen if you want. You want some sunscreen? No? Alright. Cool. Waters? Alright. You want anything else? Cooling band? Anything like that?
thank you.
Okay, got it. What you got? Yes, ma'am. Let's get you a water. You want a cooling band too? They work really good. Go around the neck, cool you off. Here you go.
Thank you.
What are these? That's a squincher. It goes in there. It's electrolytes.
Then it is.
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right. Here
Thank you. Appreciate
you
it.
go.
Oh my God.
Yeah. We're going to hook you up.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh,
Yeah, that goes in the water, okay?
thank you. Thank
And
you.
then
Thank
you want a
so
cooling
much.
band?
Yeah.
Goes around the
Okay.
neck. What color? Pink, red, black, orange?
Black.
Black. All right, I got you.
Yeah, right.
There you go. Go around the neck right there.
Yeah, it's
cools,
cool.
cools you off.
Cool.
Okay. You what color cooling band you want? Got pink, red, orange, black. Black. All right, I got you. There you go. Nice and wet already. See if I got a squisher in here. I'll make my way over there right now. Okay, I got you. Hey, no, take care. And here, that goes in that water. More electrolyte. I got some cooling bands. Here you go. Cold water for you. Oh, hey, Sophia, can you grab that? And then let me get you some electrolytes as well. There you go, guys. Y'all stay cool out here, okay? Be safe. I got water bag. I got water. I got water. Headband. I got a purple one. You want a purple headband? I got a which one? What color you want? Don't matter. Don't matter. All right, I got you. There you go. And electrolyte. Goes the water. Surf water.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I got some water for you coming up right now.
Okay. Thank you.
Here you go. Here you go. You head back up that way? Hey, let your people know. We got a whole. What color you want? Red, black, gray, purple? Yeah, towel? Yeah, I got water. Hey, purple? I got you. I got you. Here you go. Take one of these. Take one of these. Put that in that water. I don't know if that helps, but
Thank you.
there you go. There you go. See my guy? I got you. Hey, you got something like that way? Or it don't matter. If you're in back that way, will they haul you? Oh, yeah, that would be a pleasure, sir. We got orange, purple, gray, black, red. What you feel?
I'll take the black.
You want the black? All right, I got it.
I like blue, but I'll take black.
You want water? Yeah. Hey, boss. Hey. Sir. Oh, he ain't listening. You got water? Yeah, I gave you a water, right?
Yeah, no, I didn't know what.
Hey, sir.
I just got my friend.
We're heading that way right now, guys. Yeah, we got water. I got water. I got some cooling towels. You look like you need one right now. What you doing? You want anything, sir? I got water, cooling towels. Cool you off, make you feel good. Here, here's our wet one. So we got some water. Hey, yo. Hey, you look like you need a refresh. You look like you need a refresh.
That's all I need.
I need one.
That's it. Just
Yeah, take that. Right there, right there.
Take it. Let me get a
Water bottle
thank you.
and take it.
Thank you.
Electrolyte,
Here
yeah.
you go, here you go, guys. Here you go.
Thank you, buddy.
Take that. No, it's just water right now. Okay, I got you. There you go. And that water, it's electrolytes. What? You want the water? All right, I got you. Here. I got you, guys. I got some electrolytes, sir.
Billy.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you guys so much. You guys are doing an amazing thing.
God bless you. I'll be safe. Go little man, right around that neck. Pull you off. Hey, what's going on?
What y'all getting up, man?
We got some water. We got some cooling bands. You know these gonna feel good around the neck. I'm just about out. Here you go. I got you.
Nice one.
Water?
So we're just about out of supply. Guys, come on down. We got a whole tent set up.
Get on water. Get on water.
We got a whole tent set up down here at Amazon. Come on by, hit us up.
When the world must come together as one, there are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life.
Say what? I know it's not, I know it ain't frozen. Want a cooling towel? Y'all need cooling towel? We got some quenchers for you. You want one of these right here?
Bill.
Thank you.
Take the electrolyte. People are just coming.
Yeah, we got
Yep, now they all coming up this way.
Recording, bro.
Huh? Yeah, just
Oh, no,
no.
big dog. Make sure I wasn't in your way.
Oh no, you good, my guy. You good. You too, sir. Be safe.
Everybody coming this way now from around the stage.
Alright. I got this. Y'all go ahead. Now I'm gonna let them come to us. Guys, there's traffic coming. I'm here with the amazing NVO3 cluster. I am issuing an ice bucket challenge to King Kurt and all 3 CLPMs to the American NVO cluster.
He was not ready for that.
I was not ready for that.
No!
Are you sure you want me to do this?
Alright, but like, hey, make
You
sure
challenged her.
Make
She
sure
had
half
to.
of it doesn't go on like me. Half of it must go
Oh my God.
Just a half, just a half. Alright, cool. Alright,
you
guys.
guys-
Gonna challenge.
Alright, so I got challenged by Billy. You already challenged the cluster managers. I'm gonna challenge the 5s. So I'm gonna challenge Michelle, Sean.
Jesus.
Actually, I'm gonna challenge Franco as well. And I'm gonna challenge who else? Sherry. And am I missing anyone in the
Mike.
And then Mike. All right. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. You got my whole jeans. I thought he was. All right, ready? Oh, my booty is cold.
Everything else will be cold here in a minute too.
Okay, so I was challenged by Lizette, and I am going to challenge Jazz, Patricia, Jarrett from O2, and who else? And Craig from O1.
All right. You ready? If I can't even lift it.
Oh my God, I need a blankie.
Oh my God, that felt like forever. It was you had the hat.
To make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me. Yeah, yeah. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a better day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. Yeah, we're saving our lives. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. Our children. We are the ones who make a better day. So let's start giving. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. Yes, sir. We are the ones that make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice